Hey guys, hopefully everybody is having a great day today. Today I'll be doing a mukbang of a BLT that I just made. And I have some Fever Tree ginger ale. I didn't know they actually made ginger ale as well with the ginger beer, so that was like interesting. I saw it at Target on their website. And I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get it. So I'll be drinking on that. And this was just like a last minute thing. I was planning on making a breakfast sandwich this morning, and I was like, yeah, I just end up making a BLT. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot to show my sandwich. Yeah. I put this mayo on it and some red onions, lettuce, and some tomatoes. The onions are kind of making me nauseous, so I might not end up eating them. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, the onions are kind of overly today. It's been like a long time since I had some bacon. Damn. I'm also eating some regular Lay's chips. I was gonna save it for my chopped cheese sandwich, but I said F it. I'll get some more. I don't know, I'm starting to like Target more than I like Walmart. Like their produce is like really good compared to Walmart's. Better, way better. But yes, it is what it is. I don't know what the heck is going on outside. I think it's going to be a part 2 from last year, but hopefully not. In regards to the snowstorm or whatever, I'm just like, I don't know. I'm not like anxious, but it's just like, what the heck? Like I was watching the news or whatever, and they was like, I don't know what the heck is going on with the whole grid, people who are on the grid and the actual natural electricity people, but it seems like they were at odds, and now like Abbott coming out. I didn't think he even said anything about it until just now, Abbott or whatever. I was like, I don't know what the heck. I don't know. Just weird. I really think those, I don't know, those onions are more potent or whatever. So yeah, I have to try this Fever Tree drink, ginger ale. I know it's gonna be pretty good. So I guess I'm gonna be trying this right quick. Fever Tree ginger ale. Same thing. I guess this is actually considered their soda. Way better. What the heck? Yeah, I'm feeling lightheaded at this point. God dang. Okay, it seems like that fever tree ginger ale actually tastes like watered, not necessarily watered down, but actually soda. Like it tastes like it have a hint of ginger in it, but it's like nowhere close to what their ginger beer have in it. It's just like a hint of it, basically. But I'll drink it again. I don't know what the heck I was thinking about right there, but yeah. Now I'm sleepy as heck. Sleepy as heck, man, I feel like. Dang, it really feel like it had bacon on every bite. That's stuff. That's some messed up stuff. I'll eat this again. Just every so often, so I don't get tired of it. It was really fulfilling though. Dang. That was really thick though. But I semi-toasted my bread. I used Mrs. Baird's bread or whatever. Well, I just started getting them. And I dipped it in the bacon or whatever. Or the bacon juice or whatever. Drippings. And then I just toasted it a little. It was pretty good. I will eat that again. I think it's starting to get better that I actually cook at home. So yeah. I am done. I'm sleepy, ready to go to sleep. I'm really not worried if the snowstorm hit. If it hit, it hit. I'm not gonna have to go out in it, but then this whole area is trash or whatever. And we stay right by Encore, like this little plant right here. So I'm just like, what the heck? But it's too much. They're already telling us what to do and crap, understandably, because we can't even get hot water on a weekly basis, deal with them, so it's always an issue. So yeah, the plumbing is probably gonna be jacked up, but yeah, hopefully I'm moving soon. Get away from these crazy nutcases. Jeez. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for still watching and still looking at the craziness. And I'll see you guys on the next video.